Today we are going to talk about repotting of cacti plants. Repotting of a plant is done under different circumstances. One is when we buy a new plant, when we get a new plant, we like to put it in a different container sometimes. So then we like to repot. Sometimes, number two is we repot the plant to multiply, like repotting a cutting or repotting a pup, like that. To multiply the plants, we also repot. Now the third situation is we repot to set up an arrangement. We buy a few plants and would like to put into another pot and make a arrangement which is more beautiful. That is another situation. Then also we repot a plant when the plant is overgrown. When the plant is overgrown like this plant, we have to repot it like this. Now this is overgrown for the pot. Therefore we have to break it up and repot. These are the four situations that we repot a plant. So now we will go to the next stage. Normally cacti plants are not repotted into oversized pots. Now for example, into a pot of this size, we don't put a tiny plant of this size. We select the pot according to the size of the plant. If it is a tiny plant like this one, we don't put it to a big pot like this. We put it into a pot like this, so that the plant is relative to the pot size. That is one criteria. Then the main reason for doing that is when the pot is too large for the plant, what happens is the quantity of water this pot holds for this tiny plant is too much. Therefore, this will contain lot of water for this tiny plant. That is why we choose a small plot for a small plant. The amount of water this pot takes is lesser. That is one reason why you pot the plant relative to the size of the pot. Then the other one is normally, through experience, we know that plants grow better in a tight situation. When the plant is tight into the pot, the growth is better. For example, this one, they are tight. So when the plant is loose, it won't grow very well. So those are the two reasons why you choose the pot according to the size of the plant. We will now go to the next step, the medium. In repotting, the main criteria for repotting is the choice of the medium. Medium is the soil you put into the pot is called the medium. So for cacti, the medium should have the following properties. Number one is it should be porous. Porous means when the water falls onto the medium, it must go through quickly. That is porousness. So the porousness should be good for a cacti. Then the medium should be loose, like this, loose, not muddy. The medium should not be muddy, it must be loose. Then another property is it should not retain water for a long period. In other words, it must dry up quickly. So that is another feature in the medium. So then when you are using the medium, we must have a certain proportion of sand and the other ingredients you put in. The main ingredient is sand, river coarse sand. In other words, river rough sand. The other ingredients are like peat, leaf mold, compost and fertilizer. Fertilizer is chemicals. So these are the other ingredients in the medium. Now the ratio of sand and compost varies according to the variety of the plant. According to the variety or the species of the plant, the medium should be changed. For example, a plant like species like lithops, the medium is entirely different to a plant like Cereus or a Gymnocalycium. The mediums are different. So we choose the medium according to the variety of the plant. That is one criteria. Then also we must change the medium or alter the medium according to the amount of sunlight the plant gets. Now some plants are kept indoors. Some plants are kept on windowsills. Some plants are kept in nurseries like these. Some plants are kept outside in the sun. There are advantages and disadvantages of the place. I will come to that later. But the medium should be changed according to the place and the species of the cacti. So that is what I have to tell you regarding the medium and the repotting.